Okay guys, I guess you can tell by now that right here is really my favorite of all my mini bikes. Basically because I've had it so many years, it really has nothing to do with its size. It really don't. You know, they make littler ones, I'm sure. See how hard it is to crank this bad boy. I don't think it's never really hard. There we go. I think I'm gonna take a ride. On it here on the deck. I'll get the camera set about right. Alright. These brakes I got over this band brakes, buddy, will throw you over the handlebar. Strongest 3 horse I've ever seen in my life. I'm telling you, I weigh 220 pounds, buddy. It's like I'm not even on the road. Watch these brakes, I won't slide these brakes.